3 seconds. Climate change has emerged as one of the most serious challenges of the 21st century, affecting every nation regardless of its size, geography, or level of development. Scientists across the world agree that the rise in global temperatures is primarily the result of human activities, especially the burning of fossil fuels, rapid industrialization, and large scale deforestation. These actions have increased the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, creating a warming effect that has far reaching consequences for the planet. One of the most visible impacts of climate change is the alteration of weather patterns. Many countries are experiencing more frequent heat waves, intense storms, and unpredictable rainfall. These changes are not only harming the natural environment but also affecting agriculture, water availability, and public health. Farmers often find it difficult to plan their cropping seasons while cities struggle with both water scarcity and sudden floods. Such extreme events highlight the urgency of taking immediate and collective action. Another serious concern is the melting of glaciers and polar ice caps. As global temperatures continue to rise, these ice reserves are shrinking at alarming rates, causing sea levels to rise. This poses a major threat to coastal communities, small island nations, and low-lying regions across the world. Millions of people may be forced to leave their homes in the future if the current trend continues. Climate change, therefore, has humanitarian, economic, and social dimensions that cannot be ignored. To address this growing crisis, nations have come together through international agreements such as the Paris Agreement, which aims to limit global warming by reducing carbon emissions. Governments are encouraged to adopt renewable sources of energy, promote energy efficiency, and invest in sustainable technologies. Individuals also play a crucial role by adopting eco friendly habits, reducing waste, conserving energy, and supporting environmental protection efforts. If timely and determined action is taken, it is still possible to slow down the impacts and preserve the natural balance of our planet.